This app is going to save you hours per week using Nutshell CRM. Imagine you had a button on every LinkedIn profile that allowed you to see the person's contact details, and another button that allowed you to add the person straight into your Nutshell CRM with just one click. Well, now there is, it's using an extension called LinkNut, and you can get it on the Nutshell integrations page by going down here and clicking on this button here, which is going to take you to addtocrm.com/Nutshell CRM. So the next thing we do is we're going to click on Get Started and sign up with any email address. And then the next stage is just to install the Chrome extension. Everything works as a Chrome extension with LinkNut. And if we go to continue to install extension, it's going to take you to the Google Web Store, and we can add it to our browser. I'm using Brave, but it works on Chrome and many other different browsers. So now that that's done, I'm just going to pin it to the extension bar. It just means it's going to be easier to use. We can do that by going and clicking on the extension and clicking on the pin icon and continuing. Yes, I pinned. And the final stage is just connecting to your Nutshell CRM. Now you can go down here and watch the little video that shows you how to do it, but the quick explanation is you go to your settings, click on connections, and then click on API keys. And as you can see here, we can do add new API key. Let's call it add to CRM, and we'll do API plus user impersonation, which just allows you to add contacts on your behalf via the Chrome extension. So we just need to go in here and copy this API key and then paste it into LinkNut. And finally, we just need to add the email address that you're signed up with. In this case, it's Alex. And this just allows us to work out who is adding this contact into your Nutshell CRM. So the final stage that you can do optionally is setting up custom fields. With LinkNut, we collect lots of different data points, such as the number of employees at a company, the company revenue, the seniority and department of an employee, etc. So I'm just going to do automatically set up. And if you like, you can go to settings and you can see all these mappings. If we go to field mapping in settings, you can see that these fields are mapped into our different Nutshell custom fields, of which we have many, and you can obviously change these. So that's for contact, you can see all the information collect here. And for company, this is the fields that we have here. So we could, if we wanted to, create a field for number of employees in Nutshell and then map it here. But for the sake of this demo, I'm just going to skip that. So the final stage is just to add someone to your Nutshell CRM from LinkedIn. So when we click on the extension, obviously it's not going to do anything because we're not on anyone's LinkedIn profile. But if we go here onto LinkedIn profile and then click the extension again, you can see that it's going to pop up with lots of different information about the user, including their verified email address and phone number, which is obviously very useful. And the key feature here is being able to add the contact into your Nutshell CRM with just one click. So you can imagine how much time that's going to save you not doing manual data entry. You can just go to a LinkedIn profile, click add to Nutshell, and there we go, our record has been created. So we have the person, their image, we have the company, description, lots of information about the website, Twitter, revenue, that kind of thing. So it's going to save you so much time. You just need to go to addtocrm.com/Nutshell CRM, or as I say, you can get it from the Nutshell integrations page. It's called LinkNut. So yeah, it's going to save you hours per week. All the best, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below.